Earth, our magnificent home, is brimming with jaw-dropping spectacles that challenge our imagination and redefine our sense of wonder. We often hear about colossal volcanoes or deserts that once flowed with life, but wait until you discover places where the air sizzles at 50 degrees Celsius or lakes that gleam neon pink. Our planet is a treasure chest of marvels, some hidden in plain sight, others tucked away in the world's most remote corners. Today, we're diving into 18 mind-blowing geography facts you probably haven't heard before. If these pique your curiosity, remember to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming adventures. Ready to be amazed? Let's get started. Imagine stepping into a furnace, and you'll have an idea of life in the Danakil Depression, one of the hottest inhabited places on Earth. Temperatures often surge above 50 degrees Celsius, so extreme that the region's multicolored salt flats and neon-hued hot springs look almost alien. It's a living testament to nature's unyielding power, and a reminder of how life adapts to even the harshest conditions. Tucked away on Middle Island off Australia's southern coast, Lake Hillier stuns visitors with its bubblegum pink waters. Measuring about 600 meters in length, this pink lake is thought to get its rosy hue from algae that thrive in its highly saline environment. The contrast between the bright pink lake and the surrounding turquoise ocean is so striking. It looks photoshopped, yet it's all Mother Nature's handiwork. Ever wonder what it's like to live in a city where winter temperatures can plummet below minus 40 degrees Celsius? Welcome to Yakutsk in Russia, renowned as the coldest major city on Earth. Here, cars are left running for hours on end to prevent the engines from freezing. Despite the brutal cold, Yakutsk is bustling with over 300,000 residents who've learned to coexist with the deep freeze. Off the coast of Yemen lies Socotra, an island so ecologically distinct that it's often described as the most alien-looking place on Earth. Its iconic dragon blood trees resemble giant umbrellas and ooze a crimson resin used in local medicines. Over one-third of Socotra's plant species are found nowhere else, reminding us of Earth's incredible capacity for specialized, unique life forms. Deep within the jungles of central Vietnam, Son Jong Cave captivates explorers as the largest cave passage on the planet. Measuring approximately 9 kilometers from end to end, it's spacious enough to house entire skyscrapers. With its own river, jungle, and weather system inside, Son Jong is like a miniature world, proving that Earth still holds many subterranean secrets. Antarctica conjures images of pristine white ice, so it's shocking to stumble upon crimson-colored water seeping from Taylor Glacier. Dubbed Blood Falls, this rusty red outflow is caused by iron-rich, oxygen-deprived salt water that has been locked beneath the ice for millennia. When it surfaces, iron oxidizes and turns the water a vivid red, an eerie but natural phenomenon. Officially named the Risha structure, this massive geological dome in the Sahara Desert looks like a perfect bullseye from space. Spanning about 40 kilometers in diameter, the concentric rings of sedimentary rock were once misidentified as an asteroid impact site. Geologists now believe it formed through millions of years of erosion, a colossal eye watching over the Earth's shifting sands. Hidden beneath the Mendenhall Glacier near Juneau, Alaska, you'll find luminous ice caves that glow an otherworldly blue. The shifting glacier constantly reshapes these tunnels, making them inaccessible or dangerous at times. But when conditions allow, exploring these azure corridors feels like stepping into a fantasy realm, where even the air seems to sparkle with icy magic. Picture a giant circular void in the Caribbean Sea, rimmed by a shallow reef. That's the Great Blue Hole, an underwater sinkhole measuring over 300 meters across and over 120 meters deep. Beloved by scuba divers for its crystal clear waters and unique marine life, this mesmerizing chasm hints at Earth's geological past. Once a limestone cave system that collapsed millennia ago, Nestled between the provinces of New Brunswick and Nova Scotia, the Bay of Fundy boasts the highest tides on Earth. Water levels can rise and fall as much as 16 meters between low and high tide, roughly the height of a 4-story building. The bay's funnel-like shape amplifies the ocean's movements, creating a tidal spectacle you can literally walk out on, then retreat quickly. In the Karakum Desert of Turkmenistan, a fiery pit has been burning for decades. Geologists lit the Darvaza gas crater on fire in the early 1970s to prevent the spread of methane gas, assuming it would burn out in a few weeks. 50 years later, the crater is still ablaze, an unintentional tourist attraction that captures humanity's complex dance with natural resources. Mount Everest may be the tallest when measured from sea level, but Ecuador's Mount Chimborazo is actually the farthest point from Earth's center. Due to our planet's equatorial bulge, Chimborazo's summit, over 6,000 meters above sea level, sits farther from the core than Everest's peak. It's a reminder that size can be a matter of perspective, even for mountains. Layers of red, orange, yellow, and black stripes paint the hills of this unique landscape in central Oregon. Each vibrant band represents a different geological era, with fossilized plants and animals dating back over 30 million years. The Fenderbyte hills change color depending on the time of day and moisture level, proving that nature's the most gifted artist of all. Sitting in the South Atlantic Ocean, about 2,400 kilometers from the nearest continent, Tristan da Cunha is often dubbed the loneliest island on Earth. Fewer than 300 people call this volcanic speck of land home. From its jagged cliffs to its tight-knit community, everything on Tristan da Cunha revolves around its extreme isolation. Think being landlocked is challenging? Try being double landlocked. Liechtenstein, nestled in the Alps between Austria and Switzerland, is one of only 2 double landlocked countries in the world. The other is Uzbekistan. To reach an ocean, you must cross at least 2 other nations, a fun geographical quirk that adds to this tiny principality's distinct identity. Swirls of red Navajo sandstone create the surreal ridges and troughs of the wave in the Coyote Butte's north area. Its mesmerizing patterns resemble a pastel painting come to life. Because of its delicate structure, only a small number of visitors are allowed entry each day, a testament to how fragile and fleeting these natural masterpieces can be. Pamukkale, meaning cotton castle in Turkish, is famous for its white travertine terraces shaped by calcium-rich hot springs. Formed over thousands of years, the pools and terraces cascade down the hillside like a frozen waterfall. Ancient Romans built the spa city of Hierapolis atop these hot springs, leaving behind ruins that still enchant visitors today. Tucked away in the Liaohe River Delta, Panjin Red Beach owes its vibrant color to a type of seaweed that turns crimson as it matures. Stretching for thousands of hectares, the bold red wetlands stand in stunning contrast to the surrounding reeds and waterways. It's not just a feast for the eyes. This marshland also provides a crucial habitat for rare bird species, showcasing the intricate balance of nature. And there you have it, 18 fresh, fascinating glimpses into Earth's endless wonders. From blazing craters to neon-pink lakes, each locale defies expectations and sparks a sense of awe for the world we share. Which fact blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below. If you love traveling with us to these extraordinary places, show some love by liking this video, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell. Together, let's keep exploring and unveiling the mysteries that make Earth such an astonishing, ever-changing planet. After all, there's no limit to what we might find next. Our world is more surprising than any map can fully capture.